Hello again. It's the Undetectable Browser team speaking. Today we will talk about exporting and importing bookmarks within the browser profiles. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First, let's set up the bookmarks we need in a new profile for further export. Let's add Facebook. To do that, you need to click on the star sign right here. Then choose the folder where this bookmark will be stored. We select Social Networks. Next, go to the Bookmarks Manager. Here you can see the folders where all the bookmarks are stored, which are very convenient to use for a quick navigation. Click here, then select Export Bookmarks from the menu. You can export or import any set of bookmarks. In this window, type file's name and choose where to save it. To import bookmarks into existing profiles, you can use the Profile Manager. First, choose the profiles that you want to add the bookmarks to. Note that the profiles must be inactive. Then right-click on them and choose Import Bookmarks. Next, select the file with the bookmarks and confirm your action. The bookmarks are added. Let's check them in the profile. You can also set up default bookmarks for all new profiles. To do this, go to Settings. Then the Profiles section. As you can see, you can enter bookmarks manually, but we choose the option from File. Next, add the file with bookmarks in the field and confirm your action. After this setup, bookmarks from the file will be automatically added to all new profiles when creating them. Let's create a new profile and check out the bookmarks. All bookmarks are in place. Enjoy! Thank you for watching this video. If this guide was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video with your friends.